Let's talk about the latest launched INFINIX smartphone Hot 50i Ultra oval scale ring design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.7 inches HD plus punch hole dynamic bar display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 90.2% screen to body ratio, 500 nits. Peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and features with always-on display support. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 48 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.79, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14.5 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G81 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 77.1 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 184 grams, and the color options sleek black, titanium gray, sage green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo dual speakers support, USB Type-C charging port. INFINIX AI features summarize, query, write, and optimize with ease. Folix, always stand by your assistant for music, calls, and travel, always ready to help. IP54 dust, splash and water resistant, powerful 5-meter LED flashlight brighten up emergencies, FM radio support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX Hot 50i has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 34,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 4 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 37,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX Hot 50i smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.